Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Redmi 13c device. Alarm is a reminder that is widely used by most people so as not forget an important agenda. And then to activate the alarm on this device, you can follow the steps. First of all, please open the clock application on your device. And then here you can select the alarm. And then please click add. And then here you can set the time you want. Okay, and then you can also set the alarm marking days as you need. Next, you can also set the alarm ringtone even from online ringtone. And then you can also activate the alarm vibration. Okay, and then finally you can also add the label of your alarm. Okay, and then your alarm has been successfully active. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.